This specific investment had an average annual return of more than 22% over the past 10 years. That means if you would have invested $20,000 into this investment 10 years ago and never added any money to it, today you would have more than $158,000. Hey guys, it's Christina from Our Rich Journey, and in today's video, I'm going to highlight 6 incredible ETFs that have had outstanding historical performances. In fact, if you would have invested in these ETFs 10 years ago, your money today would have either doubled, tripled, or even 6 times your initial investment. So I'm going to break down each of these 6 investments, and if you want my summary sheet for each of these investments and a full comparison sheet of these 6 investments, you can go to ourrichjourney.com. I will also leave a link in the description below, but let's get started. So the first ETF is VOO, V-O-O. This is Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF. It's categorized as a large blend ETF, and as the name suggests, it's focused on the top 500 companies across the US economy. So this specific ETF provides a simple, low-cost way to invest in the entire S&P 500. It offers long-term growth tied to the overall stock market, along with instant diversification across all major sectors. It has an expense ratio of 0.03%. Its current market price is $614.94. It holds 504 companies, so you're getting broad exposure across the entire US large cap market. Its top 4 sectors are information technology, financials, consumer discretionary, and communication services, with its top 5 holdings in NVIDIA, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Broadcom. Year to date, it has returned 17.49%. Over the past 12 months, the return has been 21.41%. Its 3-year average annual return is 22.64%. Its 5-year average annual return is 17.6%. And over the past 10 years, it has averaged 14.6% each year. So here is why people love VOO. It provides simple diversification, broad exposure to the largest US companies, and long-term growth that mirrors the S&P 500. In other words, it gives you a low-cost way to invest in the 500 most established companies in the country while keeping your portfolio straightforward and easy to maintain. And just so you know, the image that I'm showing here is the same layout that I'm going to share for the other 5 investments. I'll also show a comparison chart of all 6 investments at the end of this video. So if you want a free copy of these images in the comparison chart, just go to ourrichjourney.com, and I'll also leave a link in the description below. Next is VTI, Vanguard's total stock market ETF. It's categorized as a large blend ETF, and it's focused on companies across the entire US stock market. So this includes large cap, mid cap, and small cap stocks. People really like this investment because it offers broad exposure to the entire US market, a simple one fund portfolio approach, instant diversification across thousands of companies, and long-term growth that reflects the full US economy. So let's break down VTI. It has an expense ratio of 0.03%. Its current market price is $328.64. It holds 3,531 companies, so you're getting exposure across the entire US stock market. Its top 4 sectors are technology, consumer discretionary, industrials, and financials. And just like VOO, VTI's top 5 holdings are NVIDIA, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Broadcom. Now, year to date, it has returned 16.84%. Over the past 12 months, the return was 20.81%. Its 3-year average annual return is 21.76%. Its 5-year average annual return is 16.66%. And over the past 10 years, it has averaged 14.04% each year. So why is VTI so popular? Well, if you want total market exposure, thousands of companies in one fund, and long-term growth that reflects the entire US economy, VTI is a really good ETF to research. It gives you a simple, low-cost way to own almost the entire US stock market in a single ETF. Next is VGT, Vanguard's Information Technology ETF. It's categorized as a technology ETF. It's focused on companies that drive innovation, software, hardware, and digital infrastructure across the tech sector. VGT is generally seen as a strong investment for people that want high growth potential from leading tech companies, exposure to innovative sectors like cloud computing and semiconductors, strong long-term performance driven by technology expansion, and a concentrated portfolio focused on future-focused industries. So VGT has an expense ratio of 0.09%. Its current market price is $736.95. It holds 314 companies, so you're getting broad exposure in the tech sector. Its top 4 sectors are semiconductors, system software, technology hardware, storage and periphery, and application software. Its top 5 holdings are NVIDIA, Apple, Microsoft, Broadcom, and Palantir Technologies. Year to date, it has returned 28.02%, and over the past 12 months, the return was 36.84%. Its 3-year average annual return is 34.81%. Its 5-year average annual return is 22.5%. And over the past 10 years, it has averaged 22.97% each year. So why might you want to look into VGT? Well, if you want exposure to the fastest growing tech companies, strong long-term performance, and a concentrated fund built around innovation and digital growth, VGT could be something that might work well in your portfolio. And again, if you want the ETF breakdown sheet for VGT and the other 5 ETFs that I'm discussing in this video, plus the full comparison chart, you can download it for free at ourrichjourney.com. Next is VYM, Vanguard's High Dividend Yield ETF. It's categorized as a large value ETF, and it's focused on companies with a strong history of paying dividends. So people who like this investment often want consistent dividend income, exposure to mature, stable companies, less volatility than high growth tech funds, and long-term growth plus steady cash flow. So let's break this ETF down. It has an expense ratio of 0.06%. Its current market price is $141.22. It holds 566 companies, so you're getting broad exposure across the dividend universe. Its top 4 sectors are financials, technology, industrials, and healthcare, with its top 5 holdings in Broadcom, JP Morgan Chase, ExxonMobil, Johnson & Johnson, and Walmart. Year to date, it has returned 12.3%. Over the past 12 months, the return was 12.96%. Its 3-year average annual return is 13.02%. Its 5-year average annual return is 15.47%, and over the past 10 years, it has averaged 10.93% each year. So if you are someone who wants passive dividend income, lower volatility, and exposure to large, well-established companies, VYM is a popular option to research because it blends consistent payouts with long-term growth potential. Next is VXUS, Vanguard's Total International Stock ETF. It's categorized as a foreign large blend ETF, and it's focused on companies across developed and emerging markets outside the United States. So for anyone who wants an investment that offers global diversification beyond the US market, exposure to international growth opportunities, a balanced mix of developed and emerging economies, and a simple way to add worldwide reach to a portfolio, VXUS could be a really good investment to research more. But for now, let's do a quick breakdown. So VXUS has an expense ratio of 0.05%. Its current market price is $73.23. It holds 8,669 companies, so you're getting broad exposure across global markets outside of the United States. Its top 4 regions are Europe, emerging markets, Pacific, and North America. Its top 5 holdings are in Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, Tencent Holdings, ASML Holding, Alibaba Group Holding, and Samsung Electronics. Year to date, it has returned 28.44%. Over the past 12 months, the return was 24.83%. Its 3-year average annual return is 20.09%. Its 5-year average annual return is 11.27%. And over the past 10 years, it has averaged 7.86% each year. So, if you want wider diversification, broader risk spread, and long term international exposure that complements a US based portfolio, VXUS is a strong option to explore. And again, you can get this VXUS sheet, the sheets for the other ETFs I discussed in this video, and the full comparison sheet of all 6 ETFs for free at ourrichjourney.com. Finally, there is VUG, Vanguard's growth ETF. It's categorized as a large growth ETF and it's focused on companies with strong future earnings potential and high growth expectations. So, people who like this investment often want exposure to fast growing US companies, higher long term growth potential, more focus on innovation driven industries, and a concentrated approach to growth oriented investing. So, let's break down VUG. It has an expense ratio of 0.04%. Its current market price is $476.36. It holds 160 companies, so you're getting good exposure across leading US growth sectors. Its top 4 sectors are technology, consumer discretionary, industrials, and healthcare, with its top 5 holdings in NVIDIA, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Broadcom. Year to date, it has returned 22.03%, and over the past 12 months, the return was 30.89%. Its 3-year average annual return is 31.6%. Its 5-year average annual return is 18.43%, and over the past 10 years, it has averaged 17.43% each year. So why is VUG worth researching? If you want focused exposure to high growth leaders and long-term potential driven by innovation and strong earnings trends, VUG is a popular ETF to explore. So there you have it. These are the 6 ETFs that have had really strong performances and depending on your investment style could work for your investment portfolio. Now, of course, this is not financial advice, so you always want to do your own research, but hopefully that gives you a little bit of food for thought in terms of what particular investments may work for your portfolio. And of course, if you want a free copy of my full ETF summary and comparison sheet, you can download it at ourrichjourney.com. And of course, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and join the journey.